everyone and welcome to my channel. As you remember, in our last lecture we wrote an if statement here in our delivery script. And we had a bug, so when we pass through it, it is not printing in console package delivered, it's printing ouch. So I found the bug. So all we have to do is come over here and click this is trigger button. So when we click this button, we can pass through it, we don't crash into it. So let me just clear this part. And now when we pass through the package, it will print package delivered, package delivered. Yes, so we found the bug from our last lecture where we wrote an if statement. So this was all for this lecture. See you in the next one. Bye bye.